As we were driving, he wasn't moving away from the car.
The minute I saw him, I just thought, oh no, we came out here to pick up for spay and neuter, and we're definitely leaving with another dog.
I came on my lap, and he was just the sweetest angel ever.
We brought him to the clinics. We got him all set up in his pen.
Whatever you can, they're building something that we're helping because obviously.
Él se mete bajo los cortes.
All the feels we have underneath. Do anymore.
Just doesn't feel right in my gut. And I just felt like Max's story, it needed a different ending.
Go in our car and go back to that neighborhood to check up on Max.
No. Yeah, that's Max. That is Max.
Yeah.
Max, we're coming for you.
Is he alive?
Yeah.
We parked the car, stands up, and his little tail is starting to wag. Angel!
Wasn't supposed to be outside. The neighbor had told us she was going to keep him inside. And we were like, he's coming with us.
We went back to Coco's, the vet clinic. I bathed Max.
Try to do a bit more.
Going from living in the dirt, flying first class, like his life is now better than mine.